Air pressure can build in the white ink filter, creating a vacuum which hinders the drawing of white ink into the filter. When this occurs, we must burp the line, letting out air pressure. Using a paper towel, clasp the filter and carefully unscrew the air valve. Once opened, air pressure will be released and white ink will flow again into the filter. There may be a small spurt of white ink release, which can be easily wiped off. After this release, reattach the air cap. Line burping need only be done when you see the white ink level appears low, or as you may notice white ink dropping in your print jobs.